Is your Xbox One acting weird or not working right? Don't worry, you can fix it by resetting it, and I'm going to show you how step by step. This is perfect if your games won't load, the screen freezes, or the controller won't connect. So first you're going to try soft reset. So basically, what's soft reset? You hold the Xbox button on the front of the console until it turns off. You're going to wait a few seconds and then you're going to turn it back on, and this fixes small problems fast. Next, you're going to do a power cycle. So you unplug the power cable from the back of your Xbox. Wait a little while, then plug it back in and turn it on. This helps if your Xbox is super slow. Now, if that doesn't help, try a reset, but keep my games, okay? Go to the settings, then system, and then console info. You're going to choose reset console, and then you're going to pick keep my games and apps. It fixes most problems without deleting your games. If it's still not working, try a full reset. So basically you do the same steps, but this time you're going to choose remove everything. This erases everything and starts fresh. Last, update your Xbox and settings under system updates. A new update can fix bugs and improve speed. Feeling better now? You got this. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment for more easy tech tips. See you soon.